In front of me, I've got a Tarmac HKS Silvia RS2. Let's have a quick look. Here we got the box, Global 64. Tarmac Works is the brand. Here we have some information, freeze that frame if you want to read it. Now let's take it out of the package. We got a nice box package. I like that. Okay, let's open it. Very well packed. Okay, let's put some extra light on. First of all, we got very good rolling wheels. I like that. Woo! But we don't have a brake disc, a brake claw. Very nice artwork tempo here on the Silvia. Even a website here on the window. Windscreen wipers are not molded in the glass, so that's a good thing. No heating in the back window, but it's a race car. We don't need that. Silver exhaust. We got lanced rear lights, but also with some painting on it. HKS license plate. Now we go to the base, and it is a metal base. I like that. I think with a box package, a hole like this is not necessary. We got nice slicks here. I like the different colors of the rims. Now let's have a look in the interior. It's a right-hand drive. I see no colored details. I see 2 bucket seats. And come on, give me some. That's a little bit better. Good steering wheel, but no colored details. A little bit difficult to see. Okay, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think about this car, and please